Hello everybody. So today we're going to Tesla Chatswood to test drive the 2024 Tesla Model 3. It's a very hot day today, very sunny. As you might have known, the new Tesla Model 3 it doesn't come with these two stocks, and so one of the things I wanted to know is how we engage auto steer on the older model. I mean this model, if you just pull the right stalk twice, then it engages autopilot just like this. Yeah, so the autopilot is engaged. I want to know how we do it on the newer ones, as there's no stock. So let's see. So I've also heard about the new Tesla Model 3 suspension is better, and the insulation, windows insulation is better, so that there's less noise from the outside. Unlike current Model 3, sometimes you do get a lot of noise from outside. So we are finally here. Okay, customer, and go inside. So as you can see, there's no stock, there are just these buttons. So also one new thing about this model is that you now also get the cool seats. So if you want to reverse on the new Tesla Model 3, you just need to pull the car icon back on the touch screen, and similarly to drive you need to push the car icon forward. About the auto steer, since it doesn't have a right stock, so we just need to double press this right button, scroll button, that engages autopilot, as you can see here. So autopilot has been engaged, and to cancel you can just either press on the brake like this, or maybe just press this button once again. Yeah, nice and easy. So again, just push the car icon forward. Now I'll just press park button. Okay, so this is how you park. So the first thing that you can notice on the new Model 3 is the change at the front. New design and new headlights with no front fog lamps or sensors. So the side profile of the 2024 Model 3 looks identical to the 2023 Model 3. I couldn't spot any difference on the side profile apart from the wheels, which are now called photon wheels, look a bit different than the previous one, and also they come with Michelin E-Primacy tires compared to the Michelin Pilot Sport. There's a new taillight design compared to the previous one, and also a new Tesla badging. So this is how the two cars look different from the back side. And also we do have a new bumper design on the new Tesla Model 3 with no sensors. Whenever you open the trunk, you can also see indicators at the bottom. So the front looks quite similar to the previous one, apart from the placement of the windshield fluid inlet and also the hook to tow your car. So getting into the driver's side of the car, this is how it looks. New steering wheel design compared to the previous one. So the new model also doesn't come with any stock. The door lock sounds are also much better. We also have a new door unlock button with fabric on side compared to Alcantara. So this is how the new doors look from the inside compared to the previous one. There's a new dashboard design with ambient lighting all over. where the colors are also fully customizable from the light setting. Now we have a cup holder cover, new center console design where the 12-volt connector sits, new placement for the access card, new controls on the climate section of the touch screen to cool your seats. So now we have a glove box which has rather animated opening but magnetic closing, and also is smaller in size compared to the previous one. There's a newly designed under armrest storage with only one Type-C connector, and also the armrest is magnetic. So moving into the back seats of the 2024 Tesla Model 3, we do have a digital climate control for the passengers and also two USB Type-C connectors. You can also watch Netflix, YouTube, Twitch or Disney Plus from the back display. As you can see, you can add new headphones, control the volumes, control the climate for both the passengers on the back seats. And speaking of the back seats, there's a new back seat pocket. I can also feel that the acceleration is responsive compared to the current Model 3. Taking left. On the current Model 3 and Y, you need to press this button once to enable voice commands, but now you do have here microphone button. So just press here and turn the climate control off. Yeah, so turn the climate control on. Okay, I can also feel that the air conditioning is more powerful than the current one. So sometimes I feel like the climate control it isn't quite powerful. So I need to wave my hands over the vent to see if it's really working. And I also found the steering wheel in the 2023 model to be a bit larger and more comfortable than the new one, which does have a flat bottom, which I personally didn't find it to be very comfortable, especially while making full turns. So that's all from today's video. We hope that you liked it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also comment on the video. So thank you for watching.